Alright, this is the HG-170 gas blowback airsoft pistol. Slide action. You can pull slide back. Has a slide stay, like so. Has a safety. Anyway, the magazine is gas. Actually, I've already loaded it. You put the gas in the bottom here. I've got this gas, so it does the job. Put it in for a few seconds, should do it. Take your pistol. Check to see it's loaded properly. And do some firing. And then once the magazine's empty, it locks to show you that it needs to be loaded again. I'll just load some more quickly. Still going. 3 more. Oh, we're still going. There's another thing you can do once the hammer's been reset. You don't need to actually pull it back. You can do good old movie style, pull the hammer back yourself to set it. It's almost out, I think. Yeah. And we're done. And that's the HG-170.